Welcome back. Chhattisgarh police are in search of an absconding accused from Vasco in a cheating criminal conspiracy and forgery case. The case has been registered at Raipur in Chhattisgarh at Civil Line Police Station against one Jayesh Parab from Vasco for cheating a company from Chhattisgarh. The team of Chhattisgarh police headed by PSI RN Singh Sengar is currently in Goa.
The complaint has been filed by a company from Chhattisgarh trading in iron ore. Chhattisgarh police have issued this lookout notice against Jayesh Parab with an award of 15,000 rupees to an informer. Accused Jayesh Parab, aged around 40 years, is a resident of Sushila Sankul at Orule, Belabai in Vasco. The accused was earlier arrested by Vasco police but was later released on bail while the plea for a transit remand pleaded by Chhattisgarh police was pending in the court.
और ये जो जिसका भी मैं आपको इश्तहार दिया हूँ पम्पलेट, आरोपी जयेश विष्णु परब जो वास्को से है, समकल सुशीला समकल फ्लैट नंबर 102 इसका एड्रेस है वास्को से, जिसका भी इश्तहार जारी हुआ है, ये ऑनरेबल कोर्ट चीफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट एट रायपुर से ये भागा हुआ है और इसके ऊपर 15,000 रुपये का छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस द्वारा इनाम घोषित किया गया है और इसका अरेस्ट वारंट भी है, तो इसकी पता तलाश हो रही है। और कुल मिलाकर इन सभी आरोपी गढ़ों ने जो कंप्लेंडर शिवनाथ मिनरल्स है उनका जो आयरन ओर था करीब 60,000 मैट्रिक टन जो वैसल एमवी सागर जीत में लोड होकर चाइना गया था, यहाँ पर इन लोगों ने उसकी फ़ी 53% 60 दी थी 53.60, परंतु जब वो चाइना पोर्ट पहुँचा और चाइना गवर्नमेंट की एजेंसी CIQ ने जब उसका एग्जामिनेशन किया तो वो 42% पाया गया, जिसकी वजह से कंप्लेंडर को करोड़ों रुपए का नुकसान हुआ है। करीब 100 करोड़ का ये पूरा मैटर है और उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और इसकी पता तलाश कर रहे हैं और सभी आरोपी गढ़ों में करीब 3 आरोपी अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं। ये भी आरोपी अरेस्ट हुआ था जो CGM कोर्ट रायपुर से फरार हुआ है।
The information about whereabouts of accused Jayesh Parab can be intimated to PSI RN Singh Sengar. His mobile number is 9425 597509. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Dempo Cricket Club have continued their dramatic turnaround in the Goa Professional League 3 with a win over GCA Academy Stars on Wednesday. After a bad start in the tournament, Dempo are still alive due to their third consecutive victory. But Sarvodya's slump in form continued as they lost their match against top-of-the-table side NRB Goa Sports Academy. GSA defeated Sarvodaya by 15 runs.
Dempo Cricket Club have had a dramatic turnaround these last 3 matches. After going down in the first 4 matches, Dempo had to win every match to stay alive in the tournament. On Wednesday, the impressive Dempo bowling lineup restricted the GCA Academy Stars to just 125. In reply, Shabuddin gave Dempo a flying start, while Tejas Wagle top scored with 32. Skipper Robin D'Souza held fort and steadied the innings while wickets kept falling around him. Robin played some good shots. But after he got out, the frailty in the batting order once again started showing. Dempo started losing wickets. Finally, Amit Yadav and Aditya Angle guided the Dempo Blues home. Robin D'Souza was awarded the Man of the Match award for his all-round performance.
You think Shabuddin's wicket really costed you and the wickets were not looking the things were not looking good and wickets were falling every regular interval?
See, to be honest with you, this team is not about Shabuddin. He gave us a good start. Okay, this was his job, he's done it. The rest of us actually had to go and consolidate from where he has actually left us. And I think I'm pretty disappointed with the way we batted in the middle order. But I think it's just one game, so things happen.
Point of time it was a knockout match every time for you all. So what were you telling the boys, and were you well aware of that situation?
That's exactly what I said. I said you want to win the finals, win every game. So you have to play this. Take it as a semi-final for everything. You win, you go home. I mean, you win, you stay in. You lose, you go home. So it's your choice. You want to still be here because it's a fantastic tournament being held by Goa Cricket Association, and a lot of crowd, a lot of people around, and we usually don't find these things in Goa. So we're working on it to do really well and stay alive still.
In the other match of the day, top of the table NRB GCA Stars took on Sarvodaya Royals. Batting first, NRB GCA scored 133 for 6 in 20 overs, thanks to a well-compiled half-century by master blaster Swapnila Snodkar. In reply, Sarvodaya never looked in the chase. Rahul Kenny and Regan Pinto scored a 50-run partnership, but the Goa Sports Academy bowlers were simply too good for Sarvodaya Royals. Sher Bahadur Yadav was awarded the Man of the Match award for his quick-fire 24 and 1 wicket. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Indian football team is once again staring at uncertain times after a disastrous performance at the AFC Challenge Cup in Nepal. Going into the tournament as the defending champions, India failed to score a single goal and ended up losing all of their 3 group matches and finished at the bottom of the table. According to reports in New Delhi, where the All India Football Federation headquarters is based, coach Savio Madeira is not likely to stay in the job for long. So what went horribly wrong for Savio? Watch this report.
Goan coach Savio Madeira has previously been assistant to former India coach Bob Houghton and then worked under the brief stint of Armando Colasso. Savio was elevated to the post of India coach in the summer when Armando declined to accept AIFF's new offer. Savio began his new job on a positive note, winning the SAF Cup. But Savio's major challenge was to defend the title at AFC Challenge Cup and win a ticket for the prestigious Asian Cup. But he failed miserably. No one expected this spineless performance from Savio's team, which looked out of place in the AFC Challenge in Kathmandu and crashed out of reckoning after losing the first 2 games on the trot. So what hurt Savio Madeira's team at AFC Challenge Cup? Is it that Savio was overconfident of the ability of youngsters? Was there a lack of necessary experience and leadership in the team with former regulars like Bhaichung Bhutia, Mahesh Gowli and Climax Lawrence retiring? Was it the style of long ball football that hurt India's chances? National Football League is dominated by foreign strikers, and it is a fact. Coach Savio has gone on record saying I-League system needs to be changed to create better strikers for the country. What will the major national clubs be thinking about this change? Their views should be taken into account, and together there should be a way forward. While Savio's future reportedly comes under the scanner, it is time to assess threadbare the major flaws in the system rather than blaming an individual. A Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our news bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.